killed it? Uh-oh. You better put her in the fucking grass. You kill my little sister, I'll kill your face.
Yeah, put her in the little one.
No, you can't switch gears on the little one.
She don't need to learn how to switch gears. Just put her on the little one for now.
I want to go ride the little one.
I can't walk.
Crystal!
Put a helmet on her.
Is she okay? We're all gonna go.
Then she's gonna lay it down right now. Watch.
Your daughter's gonna kill my little sister.
As long as you're careful, I'm going back.
I'll just be riding it just because it's little and I'll be like, yeehaw! You open gun myself. Right? I know, but hurry up, I want to ride that one. Trevor, Corinne, like this?
Hey, you got to be careful on it because, hey, once she goes like this, she's hurt herself.
You sure you want to do this on not on the little one?
Don't pull throttle. It ain't gonna work.
Go, Kevin, what are you going for?
I can't watch.
No, she won't go on it.
There we go. See, I'm hold on. Wait, don't let go of the foot. Put it down. Don't let go of the foot. Just right here. Now, let go. Let out of the foot. I'll get that. Don't get that. Don't get it from the throttle.
No, 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 no.